Good morning, students. Now, time to start our lecture, and the topic of the class is models. Next one is may and might. May and might. May is used for the present tense, and might is used for past tense. May is used in a direct speech, and might is used in indirect speech. Indirect speech. Next one, for strong possibility. For strong possibility, there will be use of modal may, and there is less possibility. Less possibility, there will be might. In the sense of figure, where there is a 99% possibility of any action and event, we can use may. And there is only 1% possibility that we can use might. In Hindi, शायद, and might, शायद ही. It means this also expressing less possibility and may expressing strong possibility. For example, there may be raining. Today may be raining because black clouds are gathering in the sky. Clouds are gathering in the sky. In the next, today might be raining. Today might be raining. Raining because the sun is shining. Shining in the sky. In both examples, there is a big difference. In the first way, if we can use this sentence only from there, and rest part of sentence we can forget for some moment. Today may be raining. It means there is a strong possibility that for the raining, because there also valid reason, because black clouds are gathering in the sky. The reason also proved. There is also has proved that there is a strong possibility of the raining. On the second side, I used might. It means less possibility. There is only 1% possibility because the sun is shining in the sky. Students, you are well known the raining and not raining reason. When clouds gather in the sky, that we can assume there is raining. The strong possibility, and sunshine, it means there is less possibility. Next one is to express to express blessings in optative sentence. In optative sentences, when we bless, we wish to anyone, we bless and bliss, there will be use of a modal may. For example, may you live long, may you live long, may God bless you. These are the optative sentence that if anyone bless to others. In this sense, in this sentence, we can use modal may. In the next, to express in the sense of there will be good, to express sense there will be good, when we express something that also reason for the good, reason for the good, sense of reason for the good, for the good. In this, that we can also use may. For example, he या I may as well help him. This sentence may and with as well, that also give a sense of having good. It means he has a good reason to help him, कि उसके पास मदद करने का एक अच्छा कारण था. किसी की मदद करने के रीजन को जहां पे डिफाइन किया जाए, दैट वी कैन यूज मे. नेक्स्ट वन इज for offer and request. For to express offer या reason offer and request. To express offer and request. For example, may I come in, sir? Come in, sir. That we also usually use this word, may I come in, sir. And other, may I use your pen. May I use your pen. That these both sentences are for permission and request. Permission as well as request and offer. May in the offer, that he may help them. He may help them, या may I help them. May I get the thing for you. For you. It means this sentence also giving a sense of offer and permission and request. These both sentences also explain. For the reason, for reason, to express reason as I write in the starting. To express reason. For example, Pawan is working hard. Working hard. He may get success. Yeah, he may succeed. He may get success. Yeah, he may succeed. There is the reason of the working, reason that he is working hard, so that he may succeed. In this sense, we can use modal of may. Rest part of the models that we will discuss on next lecture. Thanks and have a nice day.